matching my steez. You know I'm a G, shawty. And a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
Alright, we finna hop on this bike and go to the National Bikers Roundup in Springfield, Illinois. Okay, somebody told me it's right down the street from me, so you know I gotta pull up. Yeah. Alright, we finna hop on this thing. We just doing a turn and burn. We ain't gonna stay. We just gonna go, say what's up, see what's going on there. I never been to a roundup before, and then we gonna come back home. Got a little ice water. Abby just ran in the store. We gonna grab some tuna sandwiches. At first we was gonna do like some French fries, but we're trying to be a little healthier. You know, we went crazy in Milwaukee and ate whatever we wanted, whenever we wanted. So we just gonna do some tuna sandwiches, pre-made, and hit the road. And then plus we won't be too groggy and all of that. We only going an hour and a half. It's an hour and a half away. So it's all good. Super excited to see what this National Roundup's about though. My first one. Welcome back to the channel too. I appreciate y'all for clicking, watching my videos. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Lots of stuff coming. Let's go. Boom, Abby came through with the tuna sandwiches. We got chips. Which one mine? What's up, y'all? It's QueenSit. Look, we made it to day 8 of the Vlogmas, and it's been so dope. In this video, I wanted to share some lost footage with you. So right now, just act like you're on the back of my motorcycle, and we just finna take a ride about an hour away. Enjoy the views, enjoy the vibe, and I will see y'all at the gas station. And just remember, it's 100 degrees right now, but we're gonna push through. Let's go. And this is a riding video.
Leaving now. I'ma see you later. I'ma sneak through your window. Alright.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding this logic. Ay, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Let somebody on next up. Be damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Really. Fuck him, girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you it's special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. They hear you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up the skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song, won't come just with that.
Abby, what you got?
Pickles, Gatorade.
Pickles.
Pickles.
Gatorade. What is that?
Turtle.
Oh, look at it. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, I love turtles. That's my favorite animal, y'all, if y'all didn't know.
$149.
This gas station has everything. Woo. It's hot. Y'all, it's so hot. Look at that Black Panthers jersey. Y'all, it's hot. That's all I could keep saying. I'm literally debating if we are going to continue this ride. Put it on, bro. Put it on. I know you want to.
I do. You already know me.
Let me see what you got on. Hey, 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 hey. You would get that, wouldn't you?
I would.
You want to get it.
I'm not gonna get it.
We ain't got no room on the bike. Y'all, I don't know if we're gonna make it. I don't know how everybody headed to Sturgis right now. This trip is crazy. They got a Pizza Hut in here. It's taking everything in me not to grab this pizza box and head back to St. Louis. We got the good ice. What? Go in. Let's go in.
You wanna go?
Is the air conditioner?
Not for real.
It's cool around here. Y'all, I just stepped back outside by the bikes. It's hot. Fuming hot. I don't know if we're going to continue this trip. I'm overheating for other reasons. It's just a lot happening right now in life. It's okay. Everything's gonna be okay. But shoot, you thought I was crying for real?
No.
Y'all, I don't know if we're gonna make it. It's so hot, bro. It's so hot. We only 30 minutes out. It's like Do we keep going or do we turn around? Now we just got back from Milwaukee, so the plan is if we don't go right now, we're gonna go somewhere tomorrow. But we'll just leave earlier because right now it's just like it's 5 o'clock, bro. It's hot. This is poorly planned by me, of course, but it is what it is. We here now, and I gotta make an executive decision soon. So I'm gonna go in, eat a few pickles, and see if I get revived. But right now, it's not looking good for me. Let's see. Alright, y'all. So, unfortunately, we are not going to make it to the roundup. It's just too hot. In the last clip, you can see we were kind of delusional. So, I just hopped on the bike and headed back home. I'll try again next year. I was really disappointed, but I felt like I just had to turn around. It was just too hot for me. And then once I got to the event, I would have to walk around, which would have been even hotter. But I definitely wanted to meet people, take pictures, and just enjoy the vibe of the roundup. In the comments below, let me know, have you been to any of the roundups? And is it worth it? And is it fun? Alright. Thanks for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of these riding clips. We had a beautiful sunset. And I'll see you tomorrow for our next day of the Vlogmas. It's QueenSit. I'm out.